Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan and welcome back to another Jordyn video. Today I actually have a half day of school, so my classes don't start until 1:20. So I have a bunch of free time right now. I'm just gonna get all my cleaning out of the way, my cleaning and chores out of the way, because I usually do my chores after school. But since I have so much free time right now, I just wanna get them done. I'm just gonna do a clean with me morning routine. I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna do all my bathroom routine, and then I'm going to get ready to clean. Pee that. Hey! Hello. So now I am in the bathroom and I already brushed my teeth. Now I'm going to be doing my face wash routine, and most of you guys know my face wash routine now, as you should. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my face wash routine. I am looking for a floss because I have to start flossing, guys. Like, I really do. Oh, by the way, I took my hair out, so like I don't have braids in anymore. I have the afro. I have the puff. So should I floss? Yeah. So these are the chores I have to do today. I have to brush Bella, brush Ace, and brush Draco. And then I have the weekly chores and daily chores. And the daily chores is just feed my dogs and tidy up the bathroom and tidy up my room. And yeah, so that's basically what I gotta do today. I'm gonna start by tidying my room. It's not really very dirty, but I do have some clothes to put away, and I have to make my bed and clean off my desk and stuff. I'm gonna start off with washing my blankets because Ace likes to lay on my bed 24/7, so he gets my blankets and my sheets dirty very quickly. So all of these clothes are so cutie. So I have this one and this skirt. I'm not gonna show everything because I don't know, I might do a haul, and I don't want you guys to be cheating the haul because you're like, I already saw that, and I don't want that to happen. Clothes, I have a stuffing nose, sorry.
Have things I wear in my room. That goes on your circle shelf. And then
clothes.
I think you have a skirt hanger down here too. Oh yeah, I went under your bed. Okay, so we're gonna start.
Pop it.
I got clown feet. Hey.
Hey, come with me, come on, come on. And then, ah! So my room is all tidied up except for my bed because it's washing, so I can't really do it right now. But I'm going to now tidy the bathroom, and then I'm going to just take a little breaky break.
Hey there.
My bathroom is all tidy, so I'm gonna take a little breaky break, and then the last thing that I'm gonna have to do is brush my dogs, and that's super easy. Let's do this. It always leaking. Never drinking the chocolate. I'm done with my break, and now because these are done, so I'm gonna make my bed, and then school is starting in a few minutes. Wait, I want to try something. So like, I want to go like make it, but like be under the covers when I make it. So like that. It didn't work out that well.
I can't stand you.
So school is about to start, so I'm gonna have to do my last chore after school, and I'm wrapping up my morning routine. It's afternoon now, so it's not really the morning. But yeah, I hope you guys had like fun coming along with me, watching me do my chores, cleaning with me. You know, you can play this video while you're cleaning, because I know that helps me. Like, I watch people clean their rooms, and I kind of like, ooh, I gotta clean my room too. Now I have to log into class, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, love.